Tangina mo. Wow, giyat!
That's what you said. I'm
Mr. Bread, I want $50,000. Can you do that?
Ano, happy $3,000.
Ay, we're gonna join.
What the fuck?
Ayaw.
Pagsabay mo yung jump tsaka ano, lipad. Sabay. Jump, lipad.
Sabay.
Oo. Jump, lipad.
Ayaw pa rin.
Ayan!
Uy, nasa sila. Lagi. Ako rin ako Panginoon eh. Shut up!
expected you telling me shut up.
Damn.